Welcome back to Quiz Glust. In today's challenge, can you guess the logo by their sound? So before starting video, please subscribe the Quiz Glust for more exciting quizzes, and let's start. Can you guess this first logo? Which logo sounds like this? Yes, that is Coca-Cola. On to the next one. Which logo has this fun gaming sound? You got it! It is Super Mario. Here comes another challenge. Which logo rings with this tune? Yes, that is Coca-Malo. Moving forward now. Which logo has this heroic vibe? You got it! It is Marvel Studios. Let us keep going strong. Which logo has this famous intro? Yes, that is Netflix. Here comes a gaming one. Which logo starts like this? You got it, it's PlayStation. Listen closely again. Which logo begins with this sound? Yes, that is Mojang. Another classic for you. Which logo is known for this magical tune? You got it! It is Disney. Keep your ears sharp. Which logo plays this music? Yes, that is Spotify. Do not miss this one. Which logo sounds like your coffee break? You got it, it is Starbucks. Time for the next round. Which logo calls out with this tone? Yes, that is Nokia. Let us test your ears again. Which logo brings this payment sound? You got it, it is MasterCard. Here comes a fun one. Which logo shouts like this? Yes, that is Yahoo! The challenge continues. Which logo has this streaming intro? You got it! It is Amazon Prime Video. Do not stop now. Which logo makes you hungry with this tune? Here comes the final one. Which logo has this tasty sound? You got it, it is Burger King. Can you guess this first logo? Which logo has this classic phone sound? You got it, it is Nokia. On to the next challenge. Which logo could this melody be from? You got it, it is Yahoo! Try this familiar one. Which logo has this intro sound? Yes, that is Amazon Prime Video. Try this one now. Which logo has this iconic sting? You got it, it is Netflix. Let us move on. Which logo matches this bright tune? You got it, it is Burger King. Try this one now. Which logo starts with this power-up sound? Yes, that is Xbox. Here comes another one. Which logo plays this quick tone? Yes, that is MasterCard. Do not stop now. Which logo has this fizzy audio tag? You got it, it is Coca-Cola. Do not stop now. Which logo features this transport queue? You got it, it is Gojek. Ready for the next round? Which logo is matched to this jingle? Yes, that is Disney. Here we go again. Which logo comes with this magical intro? Yes, that is McDonald's. See if you know this. Which logo plays this delivery tune? Yes, that is Domino's. Moving along now. Which logo plays this cozy and warm sound? Yes, that is Starbucks. Now for a platform sound. Which logo comes with this play button tone? Yes, that is YouTube. Almost done now.
Volkswagen.
Which logo comes with this sleek automotive sound? You got it. It is Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Here is the final one. Which logo plays this famous sound? You got it. It is BBC. Subscribe to Quiz Glust and choose your next video.